Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Abonwada Biafra. In this video, we're gonna be learning about Igbo herbs. That is NkPOCHA Igbo and vocabularies. Please subscribe if you have not done so and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you a list of Igbo herbs and some vocabularies that you need to know, especially those of you that are learning how to speak or read Igbo language. Okay, we proceed. Okay, herbal medication. Herbal medication is ọgwụ mkpaakwụkwọ na mkpọrọgwụ. Ọgwụ mkpaakwụkwọ na mkpọrọgwụ. Mkpọrọgwụ is root. Mkpaakwụkwọ is herbs. Ọgwụ is a medicine. Ọgwụ mkpaakwụkwọ na mkpọrọgwụ. Nutritional herbs. Mkpaakwụkwọ ihe oriri. Mkpaakwụkwọ ihe oriri. Medicinal herbs. Medicinal herbs. Mkpaakwụkwọ eji agwọ ọrịa. Mkpaakwụkwọ eji agwọ ọrịa. Edible herbs. Edible herbs. Mkpaakwụkwọ nri. Mkpaakwụkwọ nri. So these are the types of herbs. Okay, I'm gonna be uploading a video, individual videos on this kind of types of herbs. Okay, so during the reviews session, so you need to keep your subscription tight so that you know when we start the review. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you pictures of all these my vocabularies and all these herbs and how they work and how we use them in Biafra land. That's the Igbo land. Okay, so we proceed. Recover. Okay, this for people that are learning Igbo language. So recover from sickness. Recover from sickness. Si na ọrịa bilite or si n'ọrịa bilie. Recover or she Ngozi recovered from sickness. Ngozi si na ọrịa bilite or si n'ọrịa bilie. Either you say bilite or you say bilie. Herbalist. Dibia mkpọrọgwụ na mkpaakwụkwọ. Dibia is doctor. Mkpọrọgwụ na mkpaakwụkwọ. Okay, herbalist. Dibia mkpọrọgwụ na mkpaakwụkwọ. Native doctor. Dibia ọdịnala. Ọdịnala, like omenala. Okay, ọdịnala. Okay, dibia ọdịnala. Doctor, that's English doctor. Let me say English doctor. Dibia oyibo. Oyibo means English. Dibia. So dibia is doctor. So whatever kind of doctor you are trying to talk about, dibia is dibia means doctor in Igbo language. So doctor, English doctor, the usual doctors in the hospital are called dibia oyibo in Igbo language. Dibia oyibo. Igbo medication. Igbo medication or Igbo medicine is called ọgwụ Igbo. Ọgwụ Igbo. Synthetic medication, or we say English medication or English medication or English medicine or synthetic medicine. Okay, is called ọgwụ oyibo. Ọgwụ oyibo. Taking medicine. Ịṅụ ọgwụ. Ịṅụ ọgwụ. ịṅụ ọgwụ. Okay, ịṅụ ọgwụ mara mma. Okay, taking medicine is good. Ịṅụ ọgwụ mara mma. Okay, something like that. Take medicine. Ṅụọ ọgwụ. Take medicine. Ṅụọ ọgwụ. Okay. Herbs. Mkpaakwụkwọ. Mkpaakwụkwọ. So herbs is mkpaakwụkwọ. Root. Root is mgbọrọgwụ. So remember, mkpaakwụkwọ na mgbọrọgwụ. Dibịa. Okay. Herbalist is dibịa mgbọrọgwụ na mkpaakwụkwọ. Are you seeing? So root is mgbọrọgwụ. Herbs is mkpaakwụkwọ. Okay. Sickness is ọrịa. Sickness is ọrịa. Hospital is ụlọ ọgwụ. Ụlọ ọgwụ. Treatment is ọgwụgwọ ọrịa. Ọgwụgwọ ọrịa. Or you say ọgwụgwọ. Ọgwụgwọ. That's treatment. Ọgwụgwọ. Or you say ọgwụgwọ ọrịa. Okay. Patient. Patient. Onye ọrịa. Onye ọrịa. Cure or treat is gwọ. Gwọ. Okay. Let me give you an example. Please, doctor, treat me. Biko, biko dibịa gwọọ mụ. Biko dibịa gwọọ mụ. Doctor, please treat me. Okay? That is the cure. Or, you know, so I will do this. I will give you examples there during the review. I will handle all this one by one during our review. Okay, so you keep your bell on. Okay, so you know when we start the review. Okay, so he is not well. Ahụ adịghị ya. He is not well. Ahụ adịghị ya. My son is not well. Ahụ adịghị nwa m. Ahụ adịghị nwa m nwoke. My son nwoke. That's a male. Female is nwanyị. Male is nwoke. Daughter is nwanyị. Okay? He is not well. Ahụ adịghị ya. Ahụ adịghị mama m. Ahụ adịghị nwa m. Okay? Something like that. So medicine is ọgwụ. Okay, so that's some of the vocabs that I think you need to know to be able to make some sentences. Okay, so let's go to the list of Igbo herbs. The list of Igbo herbs. Okay. Okay, we start from here. False textile. False textile is ịnyịnya ọgwụ. Ịnyịnya ọgwụ. I will be showing you picture during the review, okay? So you keep your bell on, please. Alligator pepper. Alligator pepper is ose ọjị. Ose ọjị. Goatweed. Goatweed is ola njota, or you say olata njere. Ola njota or olata njere. You can to mark. Okay, I think you've learned how to mark in my last two videos. So you can to mark so that you not forget the sound of the words. Okay, ola njota. So if you have not learned how to mark, you go back to the last two videos, so it will help you to understand. Ola njota or olata njere. is goat weed. Napoleona, NkPOCHA, or abakalabaka. Abakalabaka is the more central. Abakalabaka, but some people call it NkPOCHA. Okay. Ehuru, calabash nutmeg. We normally call pepper soup. Ehuru, we call it commonly known as a pepper soup, but the English name is a calabash nutmeg. Moringa, okwe oro, or you say okwe oyibo, okwe oro or okwe oyibo. Unripe plantain, ogede achaghị acha. Achaghị acha is adjective here, adjective trying to describe the type of ogede, the type of the unripe, okay, the ogede, that's the plantain, okay. Achaghị acha is unripe. Unripe is trying to describe this plantain. That's achaghị acha, trying to describe the ogede. That's the adjective. Okay, so where ogede, remember ogede is plantain and unere is banana. Okay, so very important. Palm wine, mmanya nkwụ or mmanya ngwọ. We have two types of mmanya palm wine. One is mmanya nkwụ, one is mmanya ngwọ. There are two of them here. One, this is a tree, nkwụ. This is a ngwọ tree. Okay, we get mmanya nkwụ from nkwụ tree. We get mmanya ngwọ from ngwọ tree. So there are two words here. Okay. Yellow tassel flower, we call it ogbunizu. This is a compound word, ogbunizu. That's this, like this, ogbunizu. Okay, it's a compound word. That means it kills in a week. It kills, maybe it kills the sickness under a week. Ogbunizu, izu is a week. Okay, ogbunizu, kill in 1 week. Okay. Fruited pumpkin leaf, akwụkwọ ugu. Fruited pumpkin leaf, akwụkwọ ugu, very good for blood tonic. It's like a blood tonic. Okay, so I will teach you how to use all this in the review, so you keep watching. Okay, so broomweed, ụdọ nsị ịnyịnya, ụdọ nsị ịnyịnya, ụdọ nsị ịnyịnya. Smooth new baldia. Smooth new baldia, I think is a scientific name. Ogilisi, because all these are pure Igbo herbs. Most of them don't grow outside the Igbo land. Okay. Ogilisi, so most of them are having a scientific name. Ogilisi. Okay. Onions, yabase or alebase, but yabase is more central. Okay, I will use alebase. Garlic, yabase isi or alebase isi. Isi means smell, remember. Okay, so isi here is describing, is an adjective describing this type of yabas. Okay. Papaya fruit. Papaya fruit, we simply call it pawpaw. Pawpaw, that's more central. Then some people call okwuru ukwa. Okay. Papaya fruit we call just pawpaw. When you want to talk about papaya leaf, you say akwụkwọ pawpaw, which is a herb, is part of the herbs. Akwụkwọ pawpaw, that's a papaya leaf, is part of herbs. Okay, but I didn't put them, separate them here. Okay, so curry leaf, akwụkwọ curry, akwụkwọ curry. Cashew, cashew, cashew. Neem, neem leaf. You remember neem leaf? Dogoyaro, dogoyaro, dogoyaro. Okay. Alsonia bonia, I think it's a scientific name. Astrobonia, ebu, ebu. Same weed, same weed. Obiara kara. Obiara kara is a compound word. It's more than a word here. Obiara kara, that's he came and became greater. He came and became greater. Obiara kara. Okay, same weed. Lime, oroma nkirisi, lemon, okay. Bush cane, okpete. We have sugar cane, or you call bush cane, but there are two types. This bush cane is good for this herb, okay, very good for, okay. Bush cane, okpete. Glove, basil, what we know as a scent leaf, basil, okay. Nchao, vegetable jute. Ahihara, okay. Ncheanwu, okay. Ncheanwu is basil, scent leaf, okay. Vegetable jute. Ahihara, or you say ahihara, or you say keren. Ginger, it has a dot underneath, but I didn't put in the list of the foodstuff, so it was a mistake. So it has a dot underneath. Ginger, okay. Ginger, okay. Bitter leaf, onugbu. Black pepper, uzuza. Parsley, okay. Mushroom, arrow. Soursop leaf, akwụkwọ ọgbakanti. Ọgbakanti is a soursop, so soursop leaf is akwụkwọ ọgbakanti. Soursop stem is osisi ọgbakanti. So because all of them are herbs, the stem also is herb, is part of Igbo herbs, okay. So bush mango, ugiri, you get ogbono from ugiri. Ogbono is also part of a herb. Ogbono is good for diabetes. I will teach you during the review, okay, how to use it, okay. So pineapple, akwụkwọ ọrụ. Castor bean oil, mkpụrụ ụgba. You get castor oil from this. Mkpụrụ ụgba, okay. Castor bean oil, castor bean, the scent, ogiri. You get it from castor bean, okay. Also, okay, some of the ogiri, okay, because you can get ogiri from melon seed as well, okay. I will teach you all this during review, okay. Okra, or lady's finger, okra, very good for diabetes, okay. So bush buck, utazi, palm kernel oil, ude ako. You get palm kernel oil, palm kernel from the apple seed, okay, the apple fruit, okay. The kernel is the inside part of it. You get this, use it to get ude ako, palm kernel oil, ude ako. Spinach, inine. Spinach very good for blood boost. Okay. Honey, mmanụ aṅụ, mmanụ aṅụ. Walnut, ụkpa. Eggplant, or some people call garden egg. Aṅara, aṅara. Palm fruit. So you get the palm kernel from the palm fruit. Okay, the inside part of it is palm fruit, maybe palm kernel. So palm fruit, apple. Palm oil, mmanụ nri. So you get this palm oil from palm fruit. Okay, mmanụ nri, that is what we call red oil. Orange, oroma. Guava. Mangoro, with the mango leaf also is herb. Unripe mango also is part of a herb. Okay, that's so I just generalize by using mango here. So the whole tree is herbal. Okay, so I will teach you later. Okay, bitter cola, aku ilu. Remember, there are two words together. Ilu is bitter cola, aku ilu. So if you want to remember, I taught you in one video, if you want to put as a noun, you put them together. So if you want to remove a vowel here, so you remove the first one, you join with the second one. You don't remove the second one, you remove the first one and join with the second one. Okay, but you can leave them together without removing any vowel. But to get the right pronunciation, you need to remove this O here, the first one, and join with the last one, and join with the first of the next word. Okay, that is how to do it. Okay, coconut, aku oyibo. So here also aku oyibo. Okay, aku oyibo. If you remove this O, the sound will not move. Okay, it will not be okay. So you remove the first one and join with this. Okay, aku oyibo. So it's good you learn everything at the same time. Okay, aku oyibo, aku oyibo, aku oyibo. Okay, coconut, or you leave it here, but I like to leave it like this so that you know is there are two words there. Okay, pepper or chili, ose. Pepper or chili, ose. We have ose yellow, we have ose red. So ose yellow, you can say ose edo, or red pepper, or ose red. You can say also ose obara, or you say ose red, or ose yellow. That's ose edo. Okay, according to the colors. Okay, purple, pumpkin, anyo, avocado pear, ube oyibo. Avocado, or you call it pear, or avocado pear is ube oyibo. Okay, or English pear, ube oyibo. Ube is pear. Okay, avocado leaf, I just separated them so that you learn from this. Avocado leaf, akwụkwọ ube, all these are herbs. Akwụkwọ ube, avocado leaf. Okay, avocado seed, mkpụrụ ube. So that's the pit of an avocado. The pit, the middle, is mkpụrụ ube. Okay, they are all herbs. Banana leaf, akwụkwọ unere. Remember, unere is banana. Plantain is ogede. Okay, banana leaf, akwụkwọ unere, or unripe plantain. Unripe banana is herbal. Okay, unripe. That's unere achaghị acha, like the plantain. Ogede achaghị acha. Unere achaghị acha, unripe. Okay. Turmeric. Kola nut, ọjị. Water leaf, mgbọlọdị. Okay. Pepper fruit, mmeme. This is a special a fruit in Igbo land. I don't think it grows anywhere else except Biafra land. Pepper fruit, mmeme, is very hot. Okay, so if you like this video, you thumbs up. Okay, all these lists of Igbo herbs are all nouns. They are all nouns. Remember, a noun is a name of a place, a person, animal, place, or thing. Okay, all these are things. Okay, they are all nouns. So if you like this video, you thumbs up. Okay, God bless you, and meet you in the next video. Okay, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And keep watching and look forward to our review. Okay, almighty review. Okay, God bless you. Bye.